Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a quick recipe which is egg fried rice. We learned this recipe from our famous Uncle Roger. For the recipe, we will need a small bowl of day-old rice, and here I also have 2 eggs, of which I'm going to use 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, and 1/4 cup of oil, half onions that we sliced, 4 cloves of garlic that we chopped, and we also have the bottom of 2 spring onions which we use for braising, and thereafter we have the top green for the garnish, and we also got 2 green chilies for the garnish. Then to season we have salt and black pepper. We are also going to use 1/4 cup of soy sauce and a splash of sesame oil. We are using white onions to braise, but you can use pink onion or shallot. Now we are ready to make our egg fried rice. I've got my stove on moderate heat. I'm going to add in my 1/4 cup of oil to it. This is going to be a very quick recipe, so you must have your ingredients ready. To my oil, I'm going to add in my onions. Allow these onions to fry a little. Traditionally, this is done on a wok on a high heat. My onions is getting a little brown, so I'm ready to put in my garlic to it and my spring onion stems. I'm going to quickly beat my eggs, which is 1 egg and 1 yolk. And I'm going to add this to the pan. And to my egg, I'm going to quickly grind my black pepper and my salt. My eggs are gone a little hard. I'm just going to drop in my rice. I will keep stirring this to avoid the rice from sticking. You have to keep flattening the rice to avoid clumps. To this, I'm ready to add in my 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And also I'm going to use a splash of sesame oil. Now my rice is ready. I'm going to garnish and put my stove off. Switch my stove off. Here you go, your lovely egg fried rice, and Pranesh is going to help me to put it on to the plate. So here it is, turned over. This is a single serving. I'm just going to add a little more spring onions on top. This can also be served with some lovely sweet and sour chicken or stir-fried lamb or just another fried egg on the top. I hope you all enjoyed this quick recipe. I also want to give out a shout out for Naven Pillai and his entire family for the super thanks. After the first super thanks, we've been getting more super thanks. So we will be putting the names in the end of our videos. And we really appreciate. Thank you all very much and enjoy.